Jeremy, if you would, let's pull a number and give away this cash.
Right, 405205.
One more time, a little louder.
405205.
405205. Who's got the ticket?
4052.
Check your raffle tickets.
We got one? Hey, we have one. Come on. Come on. Come claim it.
Come claim your money.
All that goes to her. Let's make sure it matches. 405205.